Okay, okay, guys. So, um, this project actually, like I said earlier, um, okay, this project, these cryptocurrency projects can charge your clients more than 200,000 naira, 500,000 naira, 1 million naira to build this project, depending on the client and your friends and family or your clients. You can charge them a lot of money to build this complete crypto investment project. Can we can charge in $1,500, $1,000, $2,000. Can charge $500 depending on how much your clients can pay when you evaluate them for this kind of project. So you can make millions of naira using this project. Now it now depends on how you work. It depends on how you do your thing and how you know how you're very good in marketing and how you present yourself. So that's just a trick that's just a tip that I want to give you. So building only this project, you can become a millionaire. So it left to you to decide how you want to sell this project to your customer. So if anybody is interested in building any cryptocurrency projects, just chat them. The money that suits you the most, 200,000 plus, 150,000, 100,000, 1,500,000, depending how you think the users can pay or the clients can pay. So let's quickly log into the user. Let's see what we have. So user at gmail.com. So I will log into user, then first thing 1, 2, 3. Login. Okay, so I'm logging into the user dashboard. I'm getting the notification, right, which is cool. And you can see the trading chart is wow, so the trading chart is really cool as well. Okay, so let's subscription trade. Let's go to subscription trade. I want to trade. So I have an MT4 trading right here. So it's active. So I can subscribe now. Select duration. I want to take monthly $30. It's blah blah blah. Put password. Make sure you remember this password. Account type standard. USD. Leverage. Like that. So subscribe now. MT4. So actually subscribe to the trading. Please wait for the system to validate your credential. So pending. So you can go to the admin dashboard. Let's go to trader. Sorry. Let's go to the admin dashboard. Let's go to dashboard right here. Okay, so let's go to trading. Manage subscription. Okay, so tester. Okay, so this person is pending. So let's process this. So let's approve this trading. Subscription successfully started, which is cool, right? Okay, great. So this is active. You can delete it back. You can close the trading for the user. So depending on whatever it is you see fit. All right. So let's go back to where's the user account? Okay, sub trade pending. Okay, so let's refresh. Now we should be seeing active, right? So okay, so this trading is on now, so you can log into the system. So the user can log into their system to trade. Remember the password that I said you should not forget. So the login details, ID, password. You can save server MT4 trade. Okay, cool. So this allows you to get access to trade. Then you can even check out the demo like that. and first name blah blah. So let's quickly check on this demo at gmail.com. Okay, so I agree with you. Click on next. Okay, so these are login details. Name, forest string type, 10,000. So this is how you get your information, right? So copy this. Let us put it right here. So this is login. I just want to show you how the investment is working. So this is password. So this password, this is investor. So this is the investor. All right. So cool. Complete. Log in with that. See, now you logged in automatically, then your trading starts. All right. So you are now connected to your trading account and blah blah blah. So as a user as well, that's the same thing you're going to do. Your um your login details that you created and your password used to log in, and then your trading starts, and then based on the settings you made for the trading blah blah blah, so you can start your trade, these are trading accounts. You can see everything, history, journal. You can see different options, see add a lot of different options, details like that. You see you have full trading system right there. So and you can make a lot of money from crypto exchange and all. So see, this is very cool.